Hi guys, Jared Johnson, Coastal Commercial. Today we're on site at 24 Harley Drive in Burleigh Heads. What I really like about this development is how well thought out it is. As you can see, our builder, Clark's Design and Construct, are well underway. The mezzanine level here is just under 4 metres, which gives great access for anybody that's looking to store a caravan or even have the capacity to put some pallet racking in. As you can see behind me, the internal fit out has already commenced. The boys are upstairs doing all the internal framing, the plasterboard's being installed, and the internal painting is well underway. Practical completion is on target to finish within the next 2 months. 3 units have already sold, only 4 remain. Please feel free to give us a call with any questions.